Unveiling the Treasures, the meaning of permanent collection. Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's video where we're going to explore an interesting phrase often heard in the context of museums and art galleries: permanent collection. Whether you're an art enthusiast or simply curious about the English language, understanding this term will enrich your vocabulary and cultural knowledge. So, let's dive in and discover what lies behind this significant phrase. The term permanent collection refers to the core collection of artworks or exhibits that a museum, gallery, or similar institution holds. Unlike temporary exhibitions that come and go, the permanent collection is something the institution owns and displays on a long-term basis. These are the pieces that define the institution's identity and are often considered its most valuable assets, showcasing a wide range of art, history, or science that represents human creativity and knowledge. Permanent collections are vital for several reasons. Firstly, they serve as a cultural and historical repository, preserving significant works for future generations. They also reflect the institution's mission and values, highlighting what it considers important or worthy of perpetual display. Furthermore, these collections are a source of inspiration and education, allowing visitors to learn about different cultures, eras, and artistic movements. By exploring a permanent collection, one can embark on a journey through time and space, gaining insights and understanding that transcend the immediate visual experience. Building a permanent collection is a thoughtful and meticulous process. Institutions acquire new works through purchases, donations, or bequests. Each edition undergoes a rigorous selection process, ensuring it aligns with the institution's goals and enhances the existing collection. Curators play a crucial role, applying their expertise to select pieces that offer cultural, historical, or artistic significance. The goal is to create a well-rounded and diverse collection that educates, challenges, and delights audiences. To give you a clearer picture, let's look at some famous examples. The Louvre in Paris houses a vast permanent collection, including the Mona Lisa and the Venus de Milo. The British Museum in London showcases historical artifacts like the Rosetta Stone. And the Metropolitan Museum of Art in New York offers an extensive range of art from different cultures and periods. These collections are just the tip of the iceberg, inviting us to explore the depths of human creativity. We hope this video has illuminated the concept of the permanent collection and its significance in the cultural and educational landscape. These collections are not just assortments of objects. They are narratives of human history and creativity, inviting us to connect with the past, reflect on the present, and imagine the future. Thank you for joining us on this exploration, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.